With you guys. Ayan. Alright.
Yes.
Ayan po, maraming salamat. We're very excited to be here. Actually po, gusto lang namin ma-share po sa inyong lahat. During our first year of releasing an EP, we were given the chance po, a privilege actually, to be recording hanggang ngayon by
Ate Kyle.
By Ate Kyle
Yes.
herself. So, palakpakan naman natin si Ate Kyle. Happy 25th anniversary po. We're so honored to be here tonight.
Very honored.
Very honored.
Mapasalamaton kayo mi. Yes, most of us mga Bisaya man mi.
Oo.
That's why na grateful mi sa
Hindi ka
privilege
Bisaya,
na
taga BGC ka
makapag-perform
lang.
tonight in front of you guys and of course, in honor kay Ate Kyla.
Yes. And of course, tonight is a very special night because we're not only celebrating Ate Kyla's 25th anniversary, but of course, you're also celebrating the release of our newest single, Don Romantico, under Star Music. And we just released it last night, so maraming salamat. If you guys haven't streamed it just yet, you can search Yes My Love in all streaming platforms po. And you can stream our music, Don Romantico.
And shout out kay Jeremy G.
Jeremy
Yes.
G.
Actually, fun fact, most of the people behind Don Romantico po ay mag-perform tonight.
Actually, that's
We also have Sir Jonathan Manalo and Jeremy G, the producer.
Ayun. Kaya naman po, we're very happy and honored to be performing one of the first few times na live performances po namin ng Don Romantico. So sana po, ma-enjoy niyo po ang aming new spin to this amazing song. Let's go first.
Let's go.
The Kyla Soundscape. Thank you so much, Aces, for being here with me today. Si Aces kasi is, he's the rapper, featured artist for my new song, Kaya Ko Yan. So watch out for him. Thank you, Aces.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you for your time and God bless you. I'll see you around.
Yes, please see me around. Thank
Watch
you
out for this guy. Thank you, Aces.
for having me. I hope you enjoy your concert.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you also to the ad-lib dancers for joining me for that number. Sorry, hindi ako masyadong nakasayaw. Hindi ako masyadong, alam ko in-expect nyo eh. In-expect ko rin pero hindi ko na kinaya. Mamaya kantahin natin yan. Kaya ko yan. Wow. Anyway, in my career, I've had the honor and privilege to witness and be a part of the OPM landscape. And tonight, it is my honor to share with you my songs, my music, my soundscape for the past 25 years. Ginawa po namin tong concert na to bilang pasasalamat po sa inyong lahat who became a part of my journey. Kaya naman, sana mag-enjoy kayong lahat as we take a trip down memory lane. The next songs I'll be singing, it was never really formally released as singles, but I chose to sing them tonight kasi they are some of my most favorite songs that I have recorded. Na feeling ko, kung i-release siya sa panahon to, feeling ko, okay pa din. So, kung alam niyo yung songs na to, either may kopya kayo ng CDs ko or nag-deep dive na kayo talaga sa music ko. In other words, if you know, you know.
So grateful po na until now, 25 years na nasa industry siya and your love never fades. So thank you po sa lahat.
I just want to say na si Trilon has one of my favorite voices. Isa siya sa mga favorite voices ko in the Philippines. He has such a unique voice and such a beautiful tone. Do you agree? Lalo na pagdating sa R&B and soul, talagang in sync tayo.
Kaya nga ate,
Thank you, Bugo.
na-challenge ako sa'yo, te.
Bakit?
Kailangan mo aralin to.
Englishin mo daw tayo. Mag-English daw tayo.
I was very challenged from this arrangement of your, this prod. And I said to myself, like, I have to give my best because this is your special moment.
Grabe, wala na akong masabi. Ang galing mo, Bugoy. Yun na lang. Okay. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Bugoy Drilon.
Hello guys, kamusta ba yung lahat? Wow. For my next song po, this is actually original po. Alam ko matagal na akong di naglabas ng original. This is for my upcoming album po. Yung intentions na nilagay ko dito sa kanta is when you try to listen or sing along is you're praying to heal. So sa lahat man po ng iba nagdadaanan dyan, no, na meron dyan isang taong nagmamahal sa inyo na tahimik lang. sa disco hilong po.
They all flew here just for the concert tonight. Mommy, Daddy, saan kayo? Sa mga kapatid ko. Ayun, Kuya, si Daddy, Mommy. They all flew here from Canada just for this concert. Thank you, I love you guys. Thank you so much to everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. You know, over the years, I've had the honor of interpreting songs for different, ito naman po, sa my beautiful lashes. Songs for different songwriting competitions, you know, like Philpop, Metropop, Himig Handog. But for this number, I want to put the spotlight on the legendary composers, Mr. Junji Marcelo. Sir Junji, are you here? Sir Junji. And Mr. Music, Jonathan Manalo. I am so grateful na napili ako na mag-interpret ng mga compositions nila out of all the other singers dito sa Pilipinas. And I'll be singing some of my favorite interpretations of these two legends. And I hope that after all these years, I can still give them the justice they deserve.
Thank you so much for having us here.
Love you, Kyla.
I love you guys. Put your hands together, guys, for the super young and talented singer, songwriter, producer, Jeremy G. And of course, thank you so much for saying yes. Alam ko hindi ka kumakanta talaga on stage na. Talaga, sometimes talagang ikaw yung nagsusulat ng kanta namin. Walang karapatang pakanta.
Parang bumalik yung himig handog natin.
I know, di ba kami dalawa? May steps pa tayo din ganun. And the one and only, Mr. Music, Jonathan Manalo. I love you.
Kyla.
This means the world to me. Thank you for being here tonight.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats,
Guys,
ate. Congratulations.
Thank you. Una, sabi ko na, thank you Jeremy for performing for me tonight. Kasi nasa script eh.
Pinagin mo pa?
For those who might not know, Jeremy co-wrote one of the songs in my album Next Episode. Ano yung title? Stand Up. For the song Stand Up, he's definitely one of the most promising young musical minds ng ating generation. Wow, ating talaga.
Yes.
And of course, thank you, John, for being here tonight. When I say super thank you, I mean it kasi alam ko, hindi ka naman talaga pumapayag sa lahat. Parang feeling ko wala ka na lang magawa. But
Grateful ako to be part of your journey, of your musical story, and I'm just so grateful to be standing on the stage with you. And congratulations. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, John. I love you. Pwede ka nang manood. Once again, guys, Jeremy G. and Mr. Jonathan Manalo. Thank you. Okay, for my next song,